To have a final talk with Central Govt on Friday evening, Tripura President Bijoy Kumar Hrangkhawl, LOP Animesh Debarma, ADC Chairman Jagadish Debarma, CEM Purna Chandra Jamatia and MLA Brishaketu Debarma went to Delhi on the call of Maharaja To Debarma. Good news might be delivered from Delhi within the evening of Saturday. In the presence of Chief Minister Dr. Manik Saha, Tripura will sit on the last stage of conversation with the higher officials of Central Govt on Saturday morning, which is why on the call of Maharaja To Debarma on Friday evening, Tripura President Bijoy Kumar Hrangkhawl, LOP Animesh, ADC Chairman Jagadish Debarma, CEM Purna Chandra Jamatia and MLA Brishaketu Debarma went to Delhi. As it is known that in demand of constitutional solution, Maharaja To Debarma decided to sit on a hunger strike until that at Assam Agartala Road of Hatai Kotor from Wednesday afternoon. But within 1 hour of starting the hunger strike, a call from Central Govt came calling him to Delhi and he has to leave for Delhi. But even till Friday afternoon, no news is received from the government, which is why Tripura supporters at the spot of hunger strike are in immense worry waiting for the outcome. In the midst of that, MLA Ranjit Debarma went to Delhi on the call of Maharaja To Debarma on Thursday. Likewise, to have a last talk with Tripura once again on Friday evening, Chief Minister Dr. Manik Saha, Minister Shukla Charan Nawatia, Minister Vikas Debarma, State IPFT President Prem Kumar Riang, State Secretary Shapan Debarma, and IPFT spokesperson Advocate Amit Debarma are on their way to Delhi. And following that, to have a final talk with Central Govt on Friday evening, Tripura President Bijoy Kumar Hrangkhawl, LOP Animesh Debarma, ADC Chairman Jagadish Debarma, CEM Purna Chandra Jamatia and MLA Brishaketu Debarma went to Delhi on the call of Maharaja To Debarma. On Saturday morning around 10 a.m., Chief Minister Dr. Manik Saha and leaders of IPFT will sit on a meeting with Amit Shah and other leaders of IPFT. Likewise, along with IPFT and in the presence of Amit Shah, Tripura will also sit in an important meeting. Such news is heard from the insider. LOP Animesh Debarma said that he is going to Delhi on the call of Ministry of Home Affairs, but other than that, he doesn't know about anything, said LOP Animesh Debarma.
Ministry of Home Affairs ogo meeting na kintu ang agenda thik sia phone call phaika ma thangu thangma pore bujina asola botamu hai sir nung khosia kumo toy thang tong ka sir delini kokmal sopai ringja go bune sir actually tamno agenda to clear ya hai unnecessary kok sai lap kare hai ang kintu kuno manino unnecessary kok sanan mujunge jeto ang sure ya ang kuno sai lap kare ang thangai jokhon ang confirm nai jeomo suna loha pitol je manmani haite amon pore ang saur nai haite. Okay, thank you.
Likewise, Tripura President Bijoy Kumar Hrangkhawl during an interview with Chini Khorang said,
So, welcome to Chini Khorang. Right now, I have the President of Tripura, Sir B.K. Hrangkhawl. Would like to know some of the updates that the meeting has been going on in Delhi. Soon after an hour of starting the hunger strike in Hatai Kotor, the Maharaja Buagra himself, he went for Delhi on the call of the Central Minister. And how is the meeting going on in Delhi? And yesterday also we have seen many ministers, some MLAs, some members of Tripura and members of BJP, they have went for Delhi. So what was the discussion about? What will be the coming results of that discussion?
I have no much information. Being Tripura President, the important information I have is that Maharaja is there for the last 3 days. He was called by Honorable Home Minister while he was about to begin his hunger strike at Hatai Kotor on 28th. So at the same time, he told us and he asked us what to do. Then we sat for some time and we advised him to go to Delhi because Home Minister and Prime Minister are head of the nation. So if they call you, they call someone, they must go and meet, whatsoever result be. So he went, so he was there last 3 days. And yesterday also we had a talk and some progress is going on. Therefore today he called me and 2 others with Jagadish Debarma, Honorable Chairman, and Purna Chandra Jamatia, Honorable CM. So we 3 are going today in the same flight. So after arriving, after meeting Maharaj and other official, we will be able to know what is the latest position and what we are about to do. So before that, I cannot tell any information, any advance information also.
Sir, we have seen in the past couple of days, after Babagra he went for Delhi, the people, the indigenous people of the state, they are in chaos, they are in dilemma. So how will be the result of the meeting? Because we have seen the...
I tell you, there is no dilemma. Only some people may like to create dilemma, but for us there is no dilemma. We are very clear cut. We shall go and see the situation and what is the opinion or offer of the central government. For we have certain opinions, certain objectives also, so that we can bring something for our people in the state, so that there may be some constitutional safeguard and some solution also for our future. So I am not able to tell anything, although I know many other things also, but after we meet there, the final thing will be discussed.
And one more thing, sir, as we have seen, many news have been gone viral all over the internet regarding the meetings.
No,
so
we are not, I think, responsible for that. People are creating this, I think, rumor. It is their business, it is not our business. So you being very careful and responsible media people, you have your own way to control it and give a right direction for the people towards the press. Because we believe the press is working very well and you are representing the idea, opinion of the people. Therefore, there shouldn't be any virals also, there shouldn't be any rumor also. The right things you have to place and you have to bring through your media.
Sir, one last question. What will be your message for those people out there, the warriors of Tripura who have been holding the hunger strike out there in Athai Kotor?
Because we are so joyful, we are so happy. First day it was, I think, estimated by the Home Department of the state, about 35,000. Yesterday there was a little bit less, about 20,000. Today again he says peak to about 30,000. So tomorrow we will continue. I have left word also to our senior people there next to us to continue tomorrow also till we come and Maharaj come back and break his fasting. Just at the stage also. Till then they will have to continue till tomorrow also, and we believe many other will be coming because every day we keep on changing the location, not location, the site from where they have to come. Today we have from Sipaijola district and Sadar district. So these are the two places. And tomorrow I think our leaders, those who are available there, they will fix to which subdivision or district will come tomorrow.
Yeah. Thank you so much, sir, for speaking with us.
Same as ADC Chairman Jagadish Debarma during an interview with Chini Khorang said that the agenda of meeting will be known after sitting in a meeting.
Dili thalaigana ko ulotamong naigana sa. Jomtabu CM tongo Chini President Hrangkhawl tongo ang khortom thangtom. Tini to tai somoblia khana ro tok naita. Khakhayo kaham nangan. Japang tong abo sogi asa tekun saimanglia.
Even if the officials of BJP and Tripura are not willing to disclose the full information, but one thing is clear that all of the officials of BJP and Tripura are immediately summoned to Delhi for the important meeting with the central government, and people of the state need not to wait for a long time for a good news. Reported by Nelson along with Hrangkhawl from Agartala, Chini Khorang.